So the future is here, and I have to say it's not that bad. Due to a recent event that has locked down much of the world, many physical businesses have been shut down. Many have lost their livelihoods, and many have been forced to go back to working a 9-to-5 job. The event that has shut down the world has crippled hundreds to thousands of businesses. Luckily, there are many ways to earn money online. Right now is a perfect time for anyone who has the will, determination, consistency, and the basic understanding of business can start an online business. And to point you in the right direction, e-commerce is one of the best places that you can start making money online. So what is e-commerce? Allow us to explain. What is e-commerce? The idea of using the internet to conduct business was first emerging in the 1990s, but it wasn't until the 2000s that e-commerce finally found its footing. According to Digital Commerce 360 Review, online sales represented 19.2% of total retail sales of 2021. Not too bad. There are three types of e-commerce you should know about: B2C, B2B, and C2C. The first type is called B2C, which stands for business to consumer. This type of e-commerce is when the business sells directly to the individual customer. An excellent example of this would be a retail store merchandise of sale. So that would be the B2C. So business to consumer e-commerce is relatively new, but it has come a long way in the past few years. There are different businesses to consumer online stores, each with its own advantages and disadvantages. The three types of B2C e-commerce you should know about are retail, marketplace, and subscription. An excellent example of this would be Netflix. Netflix operates as an internet-based video streaming service that allows customers to stream films on their television or a variety of other devices, such as a computer or cell phone. Consumer to consumer e-commerce is a major and growing industry in the 21st century. Consumers can now buy new and used goods online and buy and sell items on social media sites like Facebook, Twitter for free. Consumers can now also sell to other consumers on the same platform. If you want to watch a lot of Gary Vee's videos, you know this is easily one of the fastest and easiest ways to earn money online, and one of the easiest ways to get started in making money online. Now is the best time to start earning money online. With so many uncertainties with this event, it would be a great idea to consider starting a business online. Now that you know the three major e-commerce types, I have to ask, what's stopping you from beginning? And you can answer that in the comments below. Anyways, thank you so much for listening. Hope you subscribe, and we'll be back for more content soon. Thank you. Bye for now.